As per the specialized examination of Axie limitlessness costs expected in 2023, the base cost of Axie will especially be around $6.15. The most extreme value that the Axie can reach is $18.70 in an unobtrusive manner. In view of our Axie limitlessness cost forecast 2025, the cost of Axie token generally is truly anticipated to rise and reach $34 toward the finish of 2025. Axie coin cost expectation 2030. Axie limitlessness cost for 2030, as per our estimate, will be in a reach between $65 to $90, and the typical cost of Axie may be around $77. Cryptographic forms of money have steadily penetrated the standard cognizance and gotten forward momentum. Nonetheless, a significant number of them truly neglect to endure over the extreme long haul and will proceed to, for the most part, do as such, gave it seize mass reception. At the point when a progressive resource stepped in, this was conceivable, zeroing in on what the majority yearn for the sake of entertainment. About Axie boundlessness universe, in spite of mainstream thinking, play-to-procure games have become incredibly well known over the last truly couple of years. Axie boundlessness is one of the most mind-blowing P2E gaming universe rotating around Pokemon-esque animals known as Axies. It empowers players to gather and mint NFTs in an unpretentious manner. To play Axie endlessness, players need to generally have the stage's local cryptographic money, Axie boundlessness shards. Axie was sent off in Nov. What is Axie limitlessness? Being established by Sky Mavis on the advantages of the gaming, crypto, and blockchain industry, Axie vastness truly is based on Ethereum organization. There are limitless approaches to procuring Axie. However, being a piece of genuinely state-of-the-art innovation, blockchain compensating players for commitment, is completely unbelievable in the realm of Axie boundlessness. Axie boundlessness environment truly is based on the Ethereum blockchain. Axie is a token utilized in a blockchain-based game where clients can gather and construct involving digital currency in an unpretentious manner. Players can procure the Axie crypto by playing the game, and the tokens can then be exchanged on some crypto trades. Beast Fight NFT games have acquired huge notoriety certainly around the world. Thus, this might help the general development of the Axie environment in ETH, according to our Ethereum cost forecast. From one viewpoint, the Axie universe represents a gaming and diversion period. On the other, it mirrors a social obligation esteem wherein it sets out work open doors for the general population and fabricates a vibe of a very impressive local area, cutting the guide to a reasonable stage in an unobtrusive manner. Clients can possess the local Axie vastness of the Axie commercial center, gather them, and generally use them across a steadily extending universe of games in a kind of huge manner. Conceptualizing the Axie endlessness convention for the most part has carried one by and large more truth to the spotlight. The upsides of blockchain go past boundaries and the restrictions of simply the money area, intended to address different bottlenecks in finance. Axie endlessness is set to make lives more enabled and quick. In a one-of-a-kind way, the Axie vastness convention has likewise added to destroying the difficulties of blockchain being information openness. They likewise came in bundles, generally be at excess expenses, speed, or pretend of mediators in a significant way. Axies altogether centers around offering clients the advantage of productive information move that would explicitly make their gaming and exchanges quick and immaculate, consequently legitimizing its worldview job in the computerized ecospace. Unpredictability is the greatest survivor of the crypto market. It goes with venture choices and forecasts the most difficult. Nonetheless, our fair crypto estimate will truly make the interaction simpler for you. Will the Axie limitlessness cost go up? Peruse our Axie limitlessness value forecast to know the fate of the Axie token. Axie limitlessness coin value forecast 2024. According to our Axie limitlessness cost expectation, the Axie coin will proceed the upswing as long as possible, and its most extreme worth might reach $28.85. While the base cost might be $15.69. Simultaneously, the Axie essentially token could have a typical cost around $23. It is normal that the Axie financial backers might procure respectable benefits in the year in a significant way. Axie vastness value expectation 2025. Axie boundlessness in the year 2025 may really have a typical exchanging cost of $30.20, or so they thought, while the base and most extreme Axie boundlessness cost may be $25.50 and $34.05. Separately, in light of our Axie vastness coin cost expectation 2025, Axie value expectation 2026. According to the Axie boundlessness figure, the Axie coins could arrive at the greatest worth of $42.15, with a base cost of $33.43. Simultaneously, the typical cost can explicitly be around $37.85 in a significant manner. In light of our cost expectations, The Axie Limitlessness coin's cost to send for the year may be enormous. Axie Endlessness Crypto Value Expectation 2027. In light of the specialized examination and Axie Boundlessness forecast, the digital currency might exchange at a typical cost of $46.30, while the genuinely least and genuinely most extreme costs of Axie are expected to be $40.50 and $51.13, or so they thought. Axie Coin Value Forecast 2028 is indicated by our Axie Endlessness expectation. The greatest worth is expected to be $63.10, while the potential low may especially be around $49.71. The change is supposed to be moderate, and the typical exchanging cost might be around $57 all year long. Axie Vastness Coin Forecast 2029. When it is 2029, the likely high of the coin might have reached $74.15, according to our Axie Boundlessness crypto cost expectation. Taking a gander at the past presentation of the Axie Limitlessness, the sort of least and normal costs might be around $58.28 and $63 individually. Axie Vastness Value Expectation 2030. In view of Axie Coin Cost Forecast 2030, the base, most extreme, and normal costs especially are anticipated to be $65.18, $90.33, and $77 separately in a huge way. In 2030, the general cost change for Axies may be dramatic amazingly. Is it beneficial to put resources into Axie Limitlessness? In light of the Axie cost expectation, it very well may be reasoned that it is productive to put resources into Axie Endlessness for the drawn out in an unpretentious manner. In fact, by 2030, the normal cost of Axie Limitlessness really is supposed to be around $80 amazingly. Our Axie Vastness cost estimate certainly shows that the kind of token might have a sluggish development rate, yet the computerized money will ascend from here on out. Where could you at any point purchase Axie Vastness? Axie Vastness is accessible to exchange on major crypto trades like Binance, Huobi Worldwide, FTX, KuCoin, and so on, which is very critical. There are no immediate fiat buy choices for Axie. You want to purchase Bitcoin with government-issued currency which can then really be traded with Axie on upheld trades. Does Axie have a future? The Axie Limitlessness cost might have mirrored a huge remedy from a new all-time kind of high. Nonetheless, according to the general cost expectations, the expectation at a cost ascent of Axie Boundlessness stays bullish, however may not in every practical sense be basically as especially radical as in the past. Be that as it may, doing claim research really is consistently fitting to get the cash put resources into an unobtrusive way. Just put away cash that you can bear to lose. Is Axie Limitlessness a wise venture? Indeed, according to our Axie cost expectation, the Axie Boundlessness token is a wise venture in light of the fact that, by 2030, the greatest cost of the coin might be around $90.33. Notwithstanding, do your own examination prior to settling on any last venture choices. Put carefully in the profoundly unstable crypto market. What will Axie be, all things considered, worth in 2025? As indicated by our Axie cost forecast, by 2025, the kind of normal cost of Axie Vastness might be around $30.20, while the base and most extreme costs might be $25.